Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Murdoch DeFi YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Leviathan. It is another auto staking, auto compounding protocol that actually just launched. It's doing extremely well right now, currently sat at a $3.7 million market cap, which if you've been following along with these kind of auto staking platforms, you would know that this is pretty undervalued right now at the moment. So $3.7 million market cap. They just launched, earlier this morning. So still pretty new. In the beginning, obviously, they had some of the people that are just trying to play the price action of the token jump in and out. And since then, it looks like they're pushing back up to new all-time highs, but pretty cool stuff from Leviathan here. So what we're going to do in today's video, we're going to go over this Medium article. We're going to go over the dashboard here. We're going to go about my current investment, and then we'll also check out the price action, which we've kind of already done. But they've also been audited by Solidity Finance, which is a pretty reputable auditing firm. So cool stuff coming from Leviathan. However, guys, before we jump into today's video, if you could please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel here. We're currently on the push to 20,000 subscribers. We're getting really close. So we're currently at 19.2K, which is awesome. If you are new here, welcome to the Murdoch DeFi YouTube channel. If you want to continue to see content as it pertains to new projects that are just launching or haven't launched yet, all that good stuff, make sure that not only do you subscribe to the channel, but you also hit the notification bell, because just like in today's video, this information is very time sensitive. The sooner you can get your eyes on the content that I post, the better. Also, the best way to stay up to date is going to be the premium Discord server. There will be the first link in the description there to that, where you can check out all the plays that we make, all the content before I have or really all the projects that we talk about here on the channel, but before I make content around it. So lots and lots of cool stuff going on there. Do whitelist giveaways, NFT for play to earn game giveaways, all kinds of stuff in the premium Discord. So definitely check out that. Like I said, first link down below in the description. While you're down there checking out, if you could press the like button, I would greatly appreciate it to help the YouTube algorithm out. So as you can see here, this is a snapshot of the dashboard. I don't know how updated this is, just because our deck screener is displaying a $3.8 million market cap, and it's even pushing up since I've just started the video. So, but sometimes deck screener is not accurate. So, but regardless, this is a very new project, low market cap, so looking good. But I did want to jump right into their Medium article, kind of outlines a little bit about what to expect in terms of their protocol. Pretty cool theming here. But so it says, before diving in, let's introduce myself. I'm OX Mahmoud, co-founder and friend of French crypto community called Let's Templars. I'm building in the crypto since 2015, but started Templars journey 1 year ago. Our community is mainly focused on finding blue chips in DeFi and investing in them early. Cool. Enough chit chat. Let's talk about Leviathan. Leviathan is a financial protocol providing high stable returns on Levi, LEVIA token holders. This decentralized finance asset makes staking easier and will bring additional features, right? So we're looking at 152,628% fixed APY, which is pretty low, right? And I think that their overall goal of this protocol is to make it more sustainable, offering, I mean, still, regardless of how you feel about the numbers, like 152,000 APY is still an insane amount of yield that you can earn on your initial deposit, right? So it auto compounds. All you have to do is hold the tokens in your wallet. You really don't even have to interact with this DApp. However, it is there for you to be able to see like your earnings and how much you're earning over a 5-day period, all that good stuff. Let's see. They have locked liquidity. They've audited. They have a multi-sig wallet in place. They are a docs team. So you just have to buy, hold, and try not to get drowned. Cool. So auto staking protocol gives Levi token automatic staking and compounding features with a fixed APY of 152,628%, which is a daily ROI or a daily return on investment of 2%, which is absolutely insane, right? Here are the mechanics. or detailed mechanics here. Leviathan protocol provides auto staking directly to your wallet when you purchase the Levi token. You don't need to move your tokens to the website, so you don't have to worry about coming into a protocol and having to stake your tokens. They automatically are earning these rebase rewards directly into your wallet. So this is a very simple way to be able to earn your yield, right? So the APY is fixed. Again, 152,000%, 2% a day. This APY does not fluctuate at all. The protocol provides fast rebase rewards. Other popular staking protocols pay rebase rewards every 8 hours, which means you are potentially exposed to fluctuations. The Leviathan auto staking protocol pays every 30 minutes or 48 times per day, making it one of the fastest auto staking protocols. They have their compounding feature, which provides compounding. Your interest yield is paid automatically and compounded in your own wallet. Again, all you have to do is hold the token. That is how they get these numbers, right? That is based on the compound interest effect of your actual initial investment. So the tokenomics here, obviously it is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain with an elastic supply, which has implemented a trading fee system in order to sustain a very high stable APY, just like a lot of these other protocols that are launching as of recently. Here's a more detailed explanation about the fees and how they are distributed. So buy trading fees, 15% on buys. So 4% goes to the RFV, the risk-free value. If you do not know what that is, definitely look a little bit further into their documentation. 3% goes to liquidity, 8% goes to the treasury, and then 18% on selling fees, right? So this is, again, kind of de-incentivizing people playing price action on the protocol, right? Because right off the gate, you're looking at a 33% tax just for buying and selling. So obviously it pays you to hold your tokens, right? And to be a holder of the Leviathan token. So the selling fees, 5% goes to the RFV, 3% goes to liquidity, and then 10% goes into the treasury, right? So their RFV is a separate wallet that collects funds to support and stabilize our protocol. This is particularly useful in the event of a sharp sell-off that might drain the liquidity pool. This can cause problems because liquidity is what allows you to buy and sell the Leviathan tokens. The RFV provides a liquidity reserve and prevents this from happening during a sharp sell-off if that were to ever happen. This is how they're backing that, right? They have their liquidity. So the liquidity's fees will increase the liquidity of the Leviathan and BNB pair on PancakeSwap. Again, liquidity is what allows you to buy and sell the actual token, right? So a constant increase in the liquidity can help fight against sharp sell-off and high slippage issues, and ensures an ever-increasing collateral value of Leviathan. Their treasury acts as an additional financial support for the RFV, which again is the risk-free value, and is also used to fund new Leviathan projects, services, finance the development and costs of providing marketing funds, right? So this is what they're using their treasury specifically for. So why these percentages? We aim to grow rather than backing. Of course, we'll do both, but we prefer to focus on strong innovation and marketing efforts rather than high amount of RFV. Safety and security, our team is doxed. We are the founders of a well-known crypto community. As already stated above, a full audit will be completed by a third party. Again, it has been done by Solidity Finance. We can check that out now, and you can see everything that has passed here in terms of the actual audit itself, right? And a lot of this stuff, for a lot of people, I understand that this is a little bit hard to understand, like what all this stuff means as it pertains to like the smart contract itself. However, really, what you need to be paying attention to is the audit results, right? And you can see what they're warning about, what they've passed on. So all good stuff from Leviathan there. Heading back over to the Medium article. Special features. Okay, well, I missed this. Liquidity lock for 5 years. We'll be implementing a 4 out of 5 multi-sig with 2 influencers to manage the treasury. And again, if you are not familiar with what a multi-sig wallet is essentially so there's going to be 5 people that have to that are a part of the multi-sig wallet, right? So every transaction that happens on that multi-sig wallet, 4 people have to approve of that, right? They say here that two people that are on the Treasury multi-sig are influencers. I'm not sure who those are. I'm sure that they've been transparent about that information, but you can definitely check out their community to be able to jump in and ask those types of questions. So what will mainly differentiate Leviathan from its original inspiration, Titano, are some additional features that we will be developing. Quest scheduled on a weekly basis, which will reward our most daring sailors with a part of the fees collected during the previous week. Very interesting. Other features that will be shared on a weekly basis to make sure we'll be the first ones to release them. Here's some obvious information to their pre-sale. Obviously, their pre-sale is already up. Again, this is going to be on the Binance Smart Chain. Recommended slippage as it pertains to the current contract since it's launched. You're looking at slippage on buys of 18% and a slippage of 20%. That is the recommended minimum slippage there. Again, this might be something that you need to play with. But what I like to do, let me pull that up real quick. What I actually like to do is go to bog swap the DEX aggregator here. And this is a pretty useful tool if you are looking at buying or selling any of these these tokens that have a high buy or sell tax. You just hit this auto tax button, and then it's automatically going to account for the tax that's implemented within the smart contract. So auto tax allows trades to go through at any token tax up to the set amount. So pretty cool to see there. It's been working really well for me, and that's what I prefer to use. I know that this is something that we talk about heavily in the premium group, and a lot of people use it as well. Definitely check it out. If you want, the website is app.bogged, bogged.finance, to be able to jump into their actual bog swap decks here. So yeah, pretty cool stuff here from Leviathan. Here is the smart contract address. Here's the contract. Here is the pair directly on PancakeSwap. So if you don't want to use the Bogged Finance one, you can come over here, click that, and it's automatically going to import that into PancakeSwap so you can be able to trade right there. Obviously, you're going to have to manually adjust your slippage here. Again, they recommended a 18% on buys, 20% on sells. And again, that might be something that you have to kind of play with depending on like the volume that is going through the or the volume that's on the token right now. So, see, as we can see here, since we started the video, it's up a little bit. So pretty cool to see here. I imagine that this is probably going to head upwards of a $5 million, between $5 and $7 million market cap by the end of the day. I mean, I could be completely wrong. That's not financial advice, but we will see what happens with Leviathan and their auto staking, auto compounding protocol. Again, if we look at the actual dashboard here, you'll be able to see your Leviathan balance, your next reward yield rate, next reward value, and then your earnings over the 5-day period. So I have a balance of 38 million tokens, 38.2 million tokens, $1,400. And you can see here that our 5-day earnings is about $144.18 at the current price of the Leviathan token. So pretty cool. I like the way that they've implemented that and given you this 5-day ROI to be able to view as well. So definitely pretty cool. They do have this swap right on their page, and I didn't even see this, but they're using Bogged Finance, so you could just use this on their actual website here. Of course, we'll leave the link to their website down below in the description of today's video. You can check out their social media as well: Discord, Twitter, Telegram, group chat, Telegram announcement chat. You can check out their audit here and that Medium post that I just showed you guys. But let me know what you guys think about Leviathan protocol. I'm really digging these auto compounding, auto staking protocols. They seem to be performing extremely well, and it doesn't help, or it doesn't hurt, that the market is doing extremely well right now too. So overall, things are looking good from Leviathan project or Leviathan protocol. Other than that, guys, let me know what you think about them down below in the comment section. Happy to chop it up with you. And if you want to see more videos like this one as it pertains to these auto staking, auto compounding protocols, definitely make sure to drop a comment and leave a like on this video so that I know to continue to provide these types of projects to you guys at the community. Other than that, we will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys.